SB19 announces California concert after Lollapalooza debut next month. SB19's busy US schedule is getting even bigger and busier after securing a place in history as the first homegrown Filipino act to perform at the internationally acclaimed Lollapalooza Festival. The P-pop phenomenon has added another US stop, giving fans in Northern California a chance to see the group live. At ilang araw pa lang ang nakakalipas mula sa mga fans, sinabi nila na sold out na. It's not a full concert, Thanksgiving fan meet lang. Fan meet lang siya actually, not a full concert anyway. So, sold out na nga po. Guess that what UTA got for SB19. Congrats, they are gonna explode to the level more than they expect. Say ng mga fans, they're gonna enjoy VIP reception and have a lot of fun at the Grayton Casino and Resort 2. Well, kinurek po ng mga fans ang nasabi nga pong caption na ito ng Inquirer.net dahil hindi po ito concert, it's a fan meet. So, fan meet lang po siya, actually not a full concert anyway, SO na nga eh. Guess that what UTA got for SB19, congrats. Say pa ng mga fans, correction po, hindi concert kundi fan meet po. Nag-react tuloy ang mga trolls. Ayan. So, medyo exaggerated po ang pagsasabi ng Inquirer.net. Pero yun nga po, it's a fan meet at sold out na nga po ang ticket. Marami po ang hindi talaga nakabili. Congratulations SB19 dahil nga sold out na ang ticket. Samantala, isa na naman pong post ang ipinost ng Cinturon ni Ken kung saan isang girl group ang ipinost ng fan na ito, ng girl group na ito, at sinabi niya na this girl group really paved the way for P-pop in the international stage. This girl group first and the rest follows. I can probably or proudly say they're the trailblazers of P-pop. Others will just need to follow the formula that this girl group did just to reach the same achievements that they had till print for real. At para paubulaanan ang naging post na iyan ng nasabing fan ng girl group, mismong ang nasabi nga pong ABS-CBN na si Direk Lauren ang nagpost sa kanyang social media at narito po ang kanyang sinabi. The benchmark set by SB19 is already high. Thanks to their diligence and dedication, a new P-pop standard was set. The trainees or any new group will have to work doubly hard. Thanks to SB19 for trailblazing and paving the way for any aspiring Pinoy group. Mabuhay ang lahat ng Filipino artists. So ito po ay pinost niya ng May 16. At yan ang ating showbiz top update. Ano masasay nyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Top.